Hello, friend. Today I am going to show you the regarding the dataverse. So let's start. You can see this is a Power Apps Studio mode, and there is a lot of options, just like a home, learns, apps, create. So in this video, I have just showing you the dataverse table, dataverse forms, and the views. So you can see there is a table options. So there's all tables and the custom tables and the out of the box tables you can find. And previously this was an entity, but right now we can call it like a table. So if suppose I'm selected account table, so when I click the account table, so there is some properties like table properties. This one is primary column. The primary column is company name. The type is standard, and this is like schema. Schema is the field name. So if you find some field name, so you just need to create a column. And this one is relationships. So every relationship you can see here the relationships, and this is a primary key. And in the data experience section, there is a forms, views, charts, and dashboards. In the customization section, the business rule and the commands. So first, I'm going to show you the columns, how you can see the columns. So I need to select the columns option here. So you can see these all columns, the custom columns and the out of the box, the fields you can see. So you can customize if you want to change the field name. So you just need to select the three dot option, and you need to select the edit option. So you can edit the field from the here. So if I go back to here, so you just need to select the account. And if you want to change, if you want to do some customization in the forms, so you just need to select the forms option. So you can see all the available forms here. There's all the forms, just like a main form and the quick create form. So if you want to do some customization, the main form, so you just need to select the three dot option and edit. So there is two options: edit in the current view and edit in the new tab. So if I'm select the new tab, so our new tab will be open for form customization. So you can customize the forms from the here. You can create some fields and the form design and in the tab and the section. So it's loading. Wait a second. It's loading back here. So you can see the status is on, and you can manage this and customization. Yes. If I go to here, in the form section, there's multiple options: form fields, components, form setting, and switch to classic. This one is a unified interface, the power interface, and previously Microsoft appreciate the classical mode. So you can switch if you can switch into classical mode. But if I zoom in this section, you can see this is tabs, different tabs. You can see this all the fields over here, and if you want to do some customization, just like a height label, height number, height and log, read only, so you can do this from here, and you can add some events and some business rules. So this one is form customization. Once you done the form customization, you need to save and then publish. So I'm go back to the other options. It's like the forms and the views and the charts. So if you want to do some customization on the views, so you just need to select the view, and there is all views over here. So you can see this, all these views are here, and if you want to do some customization over there, so you can just need to edit option. So in this video, I've just demonstrated you are showing you the tables. You just dataverse table. You can find all the tables over here and change the name and the change the column. In the second video, I will show you the how to customize.